In order to support UyghurMan in our endeavors to produce the best content, please consider subscribing to our Patreon. For as low as $3 a month, you will have early access to our content, exclusive posts, Patreon-only content, insider looks behind the scenes of UyghurMan, names included in the credits of each episode, and much more for other tiers, although we urge you to at least get Tier 1. For those who are more generous, we have a Tier 2 and Tier 3, which include everything mentioned in Tier 1 and a few more benefits. By subscribing, you will be helping us move towards this as a full-time job, thereby freeing up our time to focus solely on bringing you the best content. You can find our Patreon at patreon.com/UyghurMan. Also, the link can be found in the description below. Thank you.
How you doing, guys? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. And first of all, I want to thank you for our new patrons who just joined our group, our community. Thank you a lot. Thanks for your support, and we will show the best result from us to you guys. And today, what I want to talk, if you know about me, about UyghurMan, a Justice Believer group already, you know what we're doing recently, right? Most of our video recently is about a person, a fearless fighter called Miradil Hasan, right? Who is our Justice Believer, but he speak up on the YouTube and then he got arrested, he disappeared. That's why in this video I'm also gonna talk about what I believe, what I think, where he might be now. Everyone asked me, oh yeah, where he might be. A couple days ago I got a podcast interview with another guy. He was asking, yeah, you know, the Chinese Communist Party toward Uyghur, those culture genocide, or not like ethnic genocide, ethnic cleansing toward Uyghurs. What do you believe about where the Murad Hassan is? I said, yeah, he's probably got arrested, and he probably in the top list of Chinese Communist Party. But now the Free Radio Asia already confirmed from the investigate, already confirmed Murad Hassan got arrested. They called the local Chinese cop and asked them, and they said yes, Murad Hassan did some. You can see this is a Free Radio Asia in my background right here. This one is a Free Radio Asia just did an article about Murad Hassan because of his fearless, and they did some investigate, eventually figured out he got arrested. That's made me sad. So where he might be now then, that's a problem. That's a question for this video. That's what I want to talk about. It's super clear, as you know, Uyghurs, we are facing the genocide, ethnic cleansing from the Chinese Communist Party. Maybe not the direct version, but they're using us as slaves like this. They're using our lady. Those are the couple years ago's picture. You can see all these are young Uyghurs. But now, because of East Turkestan or Uyghuristan, don't have enough young Uyghurs, so they're delivering second batch, which is middle-aged Uyghur, using them as slave in mainland China or inside of China. Some of the Chinese move their factory in Uyghuristan for those Uyghur middle-aged slaves. And or Murad Hassan, the worst case is his organ might got harvested like this. Maybe because he's young, he's 26 years old, so his organ might worth a lot of money, and it's a halal organ for a lot of people. So his organ might got harvested like that, or he got tortured. He ready to get killed like this. Chinese Communist Party do this type of torture or discrimination or killing all the time. We grew up like that. Or he is in concentration camp like this picture and listening some brainwash from Chinese Communist Party. Because he don't need education. He knows 3 different languages. He's intelligent guy. He's brave guy. But he still might be in concentration camp. So-called Chinese re-education camp. That's all, guys. That's all might Murad Hassan's where he is now. If you ask me, that's what my question is. Hey, Mini. How you doing, Mini? We were discussing where the Murad Hassan might be. So my answer is he might be in the concentration camp first. Second, he might be taken to the factory using as slave. That's the best scenario actually. If he got only used as slave, as long as he's alive, we will happy like this. We will happy for Murad Hassan. You know, those slaves did nothing. Those slaves did nothing, but they still using as slave just because of the Uyghurs. But Murad Hassan is Uyghur and he speak up for his freedom. He gave a testimony about what China did to us. That's why it might be worse. It might be worse like this. It might be he might blindfolded like this and then taken to somewhere to torture or somewhere, some hospital to get his organ. That's another scenario. Yes, his organ, his liver, his kidney, his heart might be ready to harvest it from Chinese Communist Party. So I don't know. That's what I believe. And what I believe, another thing I believe is, if I keep speaking out for him, if I keep advertising about what happened to us, our justice group, what just happened to Murad Hassan, if the more and more people know about him, if more and more people realize how serious Uyghur situation is, and more people join us, be the voice for us, and share and spread his awareness, his justice believer soul to the world, he might be gonna be alive. He might not get killed or organ harvested or tortured by Chinese Communist Party. So why I am here, that's why I am here making this stream and talking to you guys. Please, if you want to pray for this young Uyghur fearless man, just let the world know what happened to him. Let the world know. Let's come together and ask Chinese Communist Party where he is. Where he is. That's a great question. Where he is, where he might. The world, there's a couple facts right now. Uyghurs are facing concentration camp, Uyghurs are facing organ harvesting, or Uyghurs are facing forced labor, or Uyghurs are facing torture, Uyghur genocide, ethnic cleansing. So if we don't do anything, if I don't speak up, if I don't raise his voice, he might be facing really dangerous situation. I'm not gonna even make sure. I can't even make sure he might gonna be alive or not, because Chinese Communist Party, as you know, they are who they are. They are the nation who made bioweapon and killing the world population right now. So, but the only thing I can do is keep raising his voice, keep making video like this, keep write article like this, and attract more people, to let more people know about him, when his life matter become the top news. He already become the top news for some little, some small amount of the media or the newspaper, but it's not enough. We have to make it worldwide news. We have to make it his picture everywhere, on Twitter, on Facebook. Then China might don't do something really bad to him. Maybe at least we can keep him alive. That's what I believe, guys. That's why I want to tell you guys about my plan and our group's plan. We are about to write a book, a little small book, about what just happened to us and who I am and what happened to my group, what I was doing, what I faced, and then I will talk about Miradil Hasan, who he is, how we came together, how he speak up, and what happened to him. Might be gonna be of 150, around 150 to 200 page, or even less than that. It's gonna be a small, tiny book, but it's gonna be about Miradil Hasan. I don't know it's gonna be help or not, but I just try to do as much as I can. So guys, if you think this is a good idea, if you want to join us, if you want to support us, please let us know. And there's a lot of way you can support us. We will release each chapter on our Patreon, the original chapter by chapter on Patreon. You can see from there. And if you want, invest this project. If you want to join us, if you want to enjoy, if you want to invest, okay, here's 5,000. If you give us 5,000, we will give 10% of this book's profit in the future. It's very cheap because we never think we're gonna make a lot of money, or that's not our goal. That's why we're selling this stock or this future of this book's profit only $5,000 for 10%. If you want, send us $5,000. We will you will give 10% of this book. Well, but we will definitely write it down and let the world know. We will advertise everywhere. So we need some support right now, or some investment. If you think this is a good idea, please let us know and share this video to your friend, to the other people you know. And the reason I thought this is a good idea, how I got it, is first of all, this is not my idea. This is my partner's idea. He said, "Oh, we should write a book about him." I said, "Oh, good idea." Another reason is Miradil Hasan was hoping one day, when he was alive, when he was not got arrested, when he was in the free world, okay, when he was participating our justice group, he said if he got escaped or he got rescued from the Western world or America, he want make a movie about his life, about what he faced, how he step by step become a fearless justice fighter. He want to make a movie about it. For make a movie, that's what's his last wish from us in our conversations. That's why if there's a chance, I definitely help him for his goal, for his dream. We should write down about his life now and make a movie soon. I know it sounds very dangerous if China know about us, what our plan, but we have no choice. We have to let you guys know and get more support, get more investment, and do it together. And we are also a fearless group. We don't scare any BS Chinese Communist Party. Their time is gonna be over. Their time is gonna end very soon. I am just trying to save my brother, my member from our Justice Believer group, from our Uyghurs. So I don't fear about what China gonna do. The worst scenario, they come and took my life probably. I don't care. I do what I believe is correct. I do what I believe is true. I do what I believe is best for my people. That's why we don't scare. We don't fear. We will fight till our last breath. If you want to support, if you want to join our project, let us know. We only sell 40% of our profit. So the chance is limited. And if you want, please join us as soon as possible. And we can't wait to publish the book and the show on the media. So yes, that's why I made this video. I'm making this stream and wish you guys support our channel, support our project, help us help our voice to grow as bigger as possible, guys. Thank you. And I will see you guys next time.